So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you some exciting thing like how to automate defocus or how to animate, but not manual animation. You have to put expression. Okay. So let's start our video. Before starting this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA, BAJRANGBALI. So this is I have this shot. Now if I just view this output, just simple paint block I have done, just this. Okay. But see the thing what I want to show you guys. The main thing is, see, if you guys see this shot, if you guys just see the input, okay, or the output, see this input first. So see, the defocus is animating, right? The defocus is basically shifting. See, in first frame there is too much defocus, right? But in last frame there is some less defocus. See, right? So how to animate the defocus? If you guys do some paint work or some comping work also, then how to do, right? So I have done. See, in my comp the defocus is first is very high, then it's becoming low. Then how to animate this? See, how to animate this defocus, right? If I just view the defocus, see, now it's there. Sorry, now it's there. Okay, and if I go to fast frame, see how much defocus is going, right? But it's automatic, right? I haven't do animation, manual animation. How to shift defocus or how to do defocus, automate defocus, right? Now, for example, if I just go to this footage, I have take this footage, and I have done the paint walk in my last frame. Means 68 because there is less defocus, right? So I've done this clone, just simple paint walk. Okay, now I have take a frame mold, and after frame mold I put a track, okay, and just merge it in my footage and just put a mask also in my this, right? I use planar tracker for tracking. Okay, now after this, if I off the defocus, what happened? The frame which I take for reference or I painted, that frame only visible in my shot, right? So if you combine these defocus and this is less, right? And this is too much defocus. If you guys take this, right? So in last frame it should match, right? It's matching in last frame, right? Because I painted in last frame only, right? But in first frame doesn't match, right? See? Now, what I have done, you guys can take here normal defocus node, just place it here and just go here this curve, right click, set key, and just push the value and come to the last frame and just give this 1 or 0, right? Like this. But you have to do this manually, right? But if I automate the work, then how can I do? Just take a defocus node. So just come in defocus node and give here right click, add expression, and just come here and type in bracket. First I am gonna type how much I have frames, right? How much frame I have? 68 minus, then give frame, okay, bracket close, then put a star, multiply by 1, okay, then put a divide, and here, so star is basically a frequency, right? I have done a frequency, this is for frequency. Now I have to give the amplitude. So I am giving, for example, I am giving 8, okay, and then I will give it plus, okay. So this is my amplitude I have put. Now for example I am giving, for example, 8.4, for example, okay. Now if I just put the value, see, I getting some defocus, right? See, now, so now what will happen if I just come to the first, see, there is too much defocus, and if I go to the last frame, there is defocus but less. So it's basically animating, right? It's basically animating. See, it's basically how it's animating. See, so I have got the automated defocus, right? But here you have to put some value. How? You have to edit this expression. For example, I have put this 8, right? Now you have to match the one frame. Like if I go to and if I view my output, and if I on off this defocus, see, it's giving too much defocus. So I have to do come here and I just need to edit this, right? Like 6.4. Now see, it's reducing, right? Still is too much, right? So I will come here and if I go to this 2.4, for example, now let me see. So see, it's matched, right? It's almost matched. Little bit point something you have to reduce more, but it's almost matched, right? But here, see how much defocus. See, my defocus is matching, right? See, this is and this is matching, right? Now if you guys just play, you see my defocus is animating, right? It's just animating automatically. So if I take this defocus, so now I am deleting this and just come here in my previous defocus and see this expression, right? I put it 0.84, right? you guys can put any. Just you have to guys remember first we have to put overall frame, how much frame we have, okay, then minus it by frame, okay, then just multiply by value which is frequency for speed and divided by amplitude. This is the amplitude basically, and just plus feedback to it. This is the intensity one kind of. If I take this defocus and if I just place this in this footage, see, same thing will happen here also. In first frame it's too much defocus, but slowly after frame forward the defocus will be reduced. And not only guys, you can just use this for defocus only. You can use this expression for right click. I'm just copying this expression and I am just taking a grade and I'm going to gain. I just add expression and I'm pasting this grain. Now see, now what will happen? It is too much, right? But don't worry, you guys can play with it, right? For example, if I want to this like some around 0.38. Now see, my grade also will animating. See, here is my 2 grade. See how it's animating. See, automatically it's animating. See, so nice, right? See, but obviously you have to control this value. That's the main purpose of this expression. You have to control this value, right? If I get this 0.08, right? See, it's animating. See, slowly it's animating, right? So nice, right? And if you guys ask me, so this is a reverse. But if I want in my first frame it would be less and last frame it will be high, then what I have to do? Just take this and you have to reverse this expression. Okay, I mean, then don't put this option, just cut this and don't push this bracket, just cover up this too, okay, and just take this expression. Now see, in frame it will animating forwards, right? So this is a very cool expression, guys. So learn this properly, this expression, okay? You can play with it, okay? You can guys use this in grade, defocus or any kind of node to adjust the properties or automate the properties, okay? Animation. So I hope you guys like this expression, okay? And if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video to others. And thank you. Before ending this video, as I say to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai MERA.